Are you worried your child will think learning the alphabet is boring? If you want a fun and easy way for beginners to learn Tamil, then you need to watch this. This 1-minute video will show you how our Udemy course makes learning the Tamil alphabet exciting, like colorful stories that kids will love. We begin with simple vowels, consonants. We use bright pictures and examples from everyday life, so the letters really stick in their minds, not just as letters, but as things they see and use. Our lessons are short, the exercises are playful, and we repeat things in a friendly way to help kids feel confident quickly. Parents will get clear steps to see how their child is doing and helpful tips to practice at home. No stress, just steady progress. We connect each letter to objects, sounds, little bits of culture. This way, learners don't just remember symbols. They discover a language that's alive. Imagine your child reading simple words and smiling when they read their very first sentence. That's the moment we're working towards. Available on Udemy now. Tamil, Writing for Beginners. A guide to Tamil script. Start this happy journey today. Letters are waiting for you. Stories are waiting for you. Tons of fun are waiting for you.